In this video, we will show you how to change time zone on Google Calendar. If you can see, after you open the Google Calendar, on the top left corner, there is time zone GMT plus 00 here. Actually, you can change these time zones that suits with your locations. How to do that? First, to change your time zone, you can go to the setting page and then click settings here. And you can see there is time zone. Just click here, and after that you can click in the current time zone and type the location you want the time zone. For example, let's choose New York, and you can have GMT minus 04 here. And after that, it's automatically saved. When you click save back, the time zone location is changed. And that's all tutorial how to change time zone on Google Calendar. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.